Jai Jagannath. I come from a very humble family and from a small village. My dream since childhood was to join the IAS and serve the people. Lord Jagannath made it happen. Because of my family from Kendrapada, I came to Odisha. From the day I set my foot in the soil of Odisha, I have received immense love and affection from the people of Odisha. From Dharamgarh to Rourkela to Mayurbhanj to Ganjam, I have tried to work very hard for the people. 12 years ago, I joined the Chief Minister's office. It was an honor to be working for Sri Naveen Patnaik. The experience, the learning I had from him is for lifetimes. His grace, leadership, ethics, and above all, his love for the people of Odisha always